Hey guys, I'm HP. This is Dr. Pink. Today I'm talking about All Blues. Jazz Standard by Miles Davis, found on the recording Kind of Blue. Really wonderful tune in 6/8. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy with a free member account or a premium member account. So how does that tune sound alike? It's in 6/8. And so on. So we're going to talk about the rhythm guitar. Well, there's a pattern. This one. The melody. I did sight reading. I don't know it by heart. Sorry guys for that. I can do sight reading. No kidding. And also the improvisation concept. But I strongly recommend that you make a transcription of the original solo. I did it myself when I was studying music, and I learned a lot from this recording, Kind of Blue. I did quite a few transcriptions from there, and I really loved the way Miles Davis deals with time and space, and and it's really he was a genius. Yeah. So let's get started. First rhythm guitar, and then we go further. There's a pattern going on through the entire song, which the piano makes on the original recording, but you can also do it on guitar, and that one I'm going to show to you. It goes like this. Is this here, 2nd fret, A string open, D, 2, then 3, 2, 5, 3. So, and the rhythm is in 6/8, or I do it in 3/4 feel, but in 6/8, which is original, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if it's having more swing feel, goes both ways. So 4 bars. When on the original recording there's an intro, I think 4 bars. So you play this 4 times, and then the tune starts. Okay, after 4 bars again, then it switches to C, and is pretty much the same. You just alter the first note of the beat will be flat, and the rest stays the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now comes the D7 sharp 9. 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th. But in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So D7 sharp 9 on count 4. And then next bar you go to E flat, 7 sharp 9, and back to D7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then comes an ending like this. In this case, well, I made an arrangement for guitar for you guys. I do the chord plus the melody. It goes like this: 3rd fret, 2nd fret, 3rd, that's a G7. Now we add the melody, make a bar here with the index, so you have the G string, so 1, 2, then pinky, on the 4th fret. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, and then you just release, open G string, and then the whole thing is finished. So I'm gonna play it with the backing track. So that's basically the rhythm. Okay. Now let's check out the melody. It's typical Miles Davis style. He's doing that a lot on that recording. He makes the jump from the 5th of the G to the 3rd, and then he makes the turn over the let's see it in intervals. 5, 3, 4. These are not the frets. It's the intervals. Well, 5, 3, 4, 3. So it starts here. 1, 2, 3. So see, there's typical movement. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's always the same figure which repeats itself. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 2. And then when it goes to C, you just follow the rhythm guitar. So you start here, 2nd fret, then 3rd fret, 5th fret, 3rd. And then back to, and now it goes to the G, and then I move up here, and then the end melody. It's really simple. Let's play with the backing track. So you have an intro, you play nothing. Just have a beer or something like that. Oh, I just missed it now. Sorry, guys. See, that can happen to the best of us. No. And so on. Sorry for the mistake in the first. See, it's good that I also make mistakes, that you can see I'm a human being, not a robot. No, well, I just learned the tune. Okay, so that was a theme. Now, let's think about improvisation. What can we do here? It's basically a blues. But it's a blues in 6/8. If you're not used to this, the best thing which I do when on any 6/8 or 3/4 thing is make the like da da ga da. You know, when you go with this thing, you have this rhythm going on like this, da ga da ga. You can follow the rhythm of the rhythm pattern, you know. da, ga, da, ga, da. That works really nicely, okay? So, you can do that. And on G7, I really would do a mixolydian, which Miles Davis is doing. Just G mixolydian will be this here. On the C, that is done pretty often. You do either mixolydian or mixo sharp 11. That's just, you alter just one note. This one here. Okay, and on the D7 you can E7, E flat 7. You can follow the chords if you want. So 5, 4, 7, then 6, 5, 8. And then back to mixolydian. So let's see what we can do. If you want to do Miles Davis style, keep it open and spacey. I did the sharp 11 here on the C, okay? Keep it open and simple. That works really nice on this tune. On the D7 sharp 9, E flat 7 sharp 9, you could also do the altered scale. That would be this one here. 5, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 5, 7. And E flat 7, just move it up one fret. But you don't have so much time for this, so this little figure makes more sense. Something like this, or here. This from D to E flat. Yo, and then you can do any kind of mixolydian licks, and then you're cool to go. Yo guys, that was All Blues by Miles Davis. It's really a nice tune, and you can play it even if you have not much knowledge about jazz. That's why I kept the improvisation tips really simple. You can play anything over it, like bluesy. It works. The only problem is the 6/8, and the best thing is just try to follow a little bit the melody, and if you can play the melody, you can more or less follow the melody, and then you're pretty fine to go on that one. And if you listen to the original recording, they're also playing pretty spacey and open, so it's not really needed to play, I don't know. It's not really needed. Keep it spacey and open. Just keep it simple, okay? And then it works pretty fine. Good. One more to say. If you want to download this backing track plus the tabs, well, not these ones, that's from the real book. I wrote out the melody plus the chords for you as tabs that you can practice the stuff. It's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join them with a free member account, but to download the stuff you need a premium member account. Yeah, but it makes sense to join there because you get more information there. Also follow my thoughts, my blog, and my online concerts and all that stuff is all there. Yo, so please join there. Me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye for today. Yo.